Alright guys, so a few weeks back I purchased a new 7-meter YellowFin boat. Couldn't get an outboard for it anyway. I really wanted a Mercury 225 and I found one in Mackay. So at 3 AM this morning we left Cairns, drove down to Mackay. I just picked the boat up. I'm so excited, like don't know what to say, but I'm so keen to take it for a run. The weather's actually nice. So Killian, Sam and I are going to stop at Airlie Beach on the way back to Cairns and hopefully take it out, have a look around the Whitsunday Islands, and yeah, stay tuned. Fuck, this is gonna break the bank. It's taking so much fuel.
And $10.
Jesus Christ. You better start OnlyFans. First time launching the boat, got no idea what I'm doing to be honest. Put a bung in, that'd probably help. You keen?
So keen.
Look at this place. Another, it is so eerie.
What are you doing to me? This ain't no joke.
Oh.
What the fuck are you doing to me?
Look at this place. I don't know what this would have been. It would have been like maybe a restaurant or something. Yeah, a kitchen up there maybe. Oh, there's a pool over here. Fucking jump in, go for a swim. I think they need some chlorine in that. Not for me. Fuck me, a few toads in here. Fuck, look at all the toads.
Oh,
Tommy, I give you fucking $10 if you go for a swim.
oh no.
Bro, if you do that, come on.
No shit.
What do you
You're
mean?
gonna get lepto or something from here.
Oh, look how many fucking, there's dead toads.
Oh, look at that.
Jesus Christ. Do not empty your bucket in the sink. No sink in there. Fuck, this place is so eerie.
If this roof caves in, I don't know. There's nails, babe. Oh shit, there's one.
Obviously these are 2 stories. Fuck, have a look at that. That is bloody nice. Oh, bloody hell. Went out last night. Had a few, probably a few too many. Drink it! Drink it! Have it! Feel a bit shit this morning, but you know, that's just how it goes, I guess. Have a beer. I changed the plan. We're not going out to Heart Reef. We're going to go try go to Whitehaven. These waves are quite big. Like perfect. Perfect conditions.
Put a life jacket on.
They're quite large. We don't really get waves this big in Cairns.
Wow, I can't believe how rough it is.
Hold on. You're sick as well.
Disgusting. Oh, why? Babe.
Oh, some people can handle it, some can't. Turns out neither of these guys can. How clear is that water? How bloody good. So nice. Your bikinis match the watercolour. Grown in like 2 months, we'll go for a swim. Good swim or what? Fuck me dead. Fuck. May as well wash the salt off it.
Oh, fuck my life.
After we found Killian's drone, we just put it in the front of the boat. Sam heard something sizzling and like electrical fire, so she fully freaked out. She just launched, jumped off the edge of the boat because she's
I thought the boat was gonna explode.
her foot got caught in here. Now she actually broke her ankle.
I'm not gonna make it on feet fetish.
Yep. You want a fork stalled? You want a fork stalled? bloody good is this?
Not that great, I broke my fucking leg.
Oh, stop it, mate. Cheers. Oh, really?
Cheers, Killian. He never cheers anyone, don't worry.
I'm watching.
Shut the fuck up, like James Bond shit.
One day we'll have enough money to have a helicopter instead of a boat.
Yeah.
Until then, we've got a boat.
For Africa,
Airlie Beach.
That's a wrap. Airlie Beach.
Yeah, not bad. Boat handled good. It's pretty rough out there. Won't lie, it's very rough. Back's pretty sore. But
First time with the boat.
yeah, first time with the boat.
What's your impression?
No, it's good. Definitely, yeah, it's smooth. Obviously got to do some work to it, but yeah, plenty more adventures to come.
Yeah. Plenty more ice cream.
If you ever come to Airlie Beach, highly recommend this ice cream. I don't know what it's called, but fuck, it's good.
So you recommend people to come? I don't know what it's called, but it's good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you because yeah, you need to know. That's it.
Yeah, hopefully we've got some good weather coming up soon, and we can go do some more exploring.
Yeah, exactly. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.
See you then.